Welcome to our channel Love Story with Technology. I am Atish. Today we are going to see how to migrate your Gmail to Microsoft 365 using IMAP migration. Here we can see how to migrate your email accounts, all the emails from G Suite to Office 365 Exchange Online. So let's begin. First we need to log in your office365.com which you purchased. You need to purchase the Microsoft 365 subscription first. Then using global admin, you need to log in your account by entering your credential. Enter your password. We are successfully logged into the Office 365 tenant. Then click on admin. Then move to the next step. Click on Exchange. Here you can see the migrations in Exchange Admin Center. Add a migration batch. Mention a migration batch name. I am going to put test. Migration to Exchange Online. Click next. Type of migration. You can see here is a multiple type of migration: remote move migration, stage migration, cutover migration, cross tenant migration, Google Workspace migration. We are using IMAP migration. Click next. Then for if you want to more detailing, then here you can see the reference articles. Then move to the next step. Select your migration endpoint. We are creating first time, so we need to create a new migration endpoint. Then next, mention endpoint name. I'm putting here test. Maximum concurrent migration, that means maximum concurrent email accounts migration concurrently, so I'm putting the 20 and maximum 10. Click next. Mention the IMAP server here. You need to take the G Suite IMAP server here. Then put your IMAP server. I'm putting the imap.gmail.com. Authentication basic. Encryption type SSL. Mention the port number. Accept untrusted certificate. Do not skip verification, otherwise we cannot validate this account. Then next, endpoint is saving here. Endpoint is created. Move to the next step. Then here you can import for the bulk migration. So we are going to download this file. We need to enter email address, username and password in this CSV file which we download from the tenant, and then save it. Then move to the import CSV. Move to the download. Select, open, allow unknown columns. Click next. Select no. Click next. There is some setting to notification after complete the migration, but we don't require any notification. Manually start the batch. We don't want to schedule any batch. You mention the time zone. I'm going to take India Standard Time. Save. Batch creation is in process. You can see batch creation successful. Click done. Then you can see. Then resume the migration. Confirm. Operation successful. Migration started. You can see it's syncing now. Our migration process is completed. So for next video, please click on the bell icon and stay connected for next video. In next video, you can see the migrated content and email items and how to assign the licenses in Office 365 tenant. Don't forget to share and subscribe our YouTube channel Love Story with Technology. Thanks for watching.